Hi everyone! We're back again today with another episode of Daniel Smith versus Roman Szmal. So today we'll be looking at transparent oxide yellow PY42. Now, the main difference between Daniel Smith and Roman Szmal is that the hue is completely different. Daniel Smith's version looks more like a raw sienna or brown ochre, whereas the Roman Szmal's version is more of a light raw umber. Not the dark raw umber, but the natural raw umber. So as you can see here, Daniel Smith's is much more orange and Roman Szmal's is towards the cooler end. Both do granulate. You can't really see the granulation on its own here. It's there, but it's very fine. It's not as apparent as like French ultramarine and all that, but it's okay. In terms of rewettability, Daniel Smith's is very easy. You go in with a wet brush on your dried pan and you could pick up paint straight away. Whereas Roman Szmal's version, you go in with a wet brush and it feels like a low tinting pigment. But if you just, spray your pans with some water, let it soak for a bit, then the color starts coming out. But even then, once you use that layer of color, you still need to continue soaking the paint. That said, Roman Szmal's feels very transparent, whereas Daniel Smith's version paints more like any other earth color. Okay, and that's it for this episode. Let me know what you want to see next, and if I have it, I'll put it up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.